Okay, up until this point in the chapter, we've been doing all kinds of graphing problems, and now we're going to discuss how you can solve a linear equation by graphing it. And this is not something that you normally see, or a method that you normally choose, but and yet it's still a possible way to solve an equation. So here we go. Whenever we're going to solve an equation graphically, the very first thing we're going to do is we're going to get everything on one side of the equation and a 0 on the other side. After we get a 0 on one side, we're going to replace that 0 with a y, and once we've replaced it with the y, then we can go ahead and graph it. And we'll notice that the solution is going to be the x-intercept. Where does the graph cross the x-axis? That's going to be the solution to our equation, and that'll be the same answer as if we solved it algebraically. So if we solve this equation algebraically, we're going to get the numbers on one side and the variables on the other, and we're going to here multiply both sides by 2/3, and 2/3 times -3 is -2. So our solution to this equation is -2. And that's an algebraic solution. And now we're going to do the very same problem, solving it graphically. To solve it graphically, we're going to get everything on one side and a 0 on the other. So when we add x to both sides and add 3 to both sides, we're going to get 3/2 x plus 3 equals 0. Now we're going to replace the 0 with a y. And so our slope is going to be 3/2, and our intercept is going to be +3, and now we're going to go and graph that. So we're going to go up to +3 on the x-axis, and we're going to go up 3, vertical change 3, horizontal change 2. It's a positive slope, so we're going to have that positive slope. We'll do it again. We'll go up 3 over 2. We have a positive slope, and then you'll see, where does our line cross the x-axis? It's crossing the x-axis at -2, which is exactly the same as when we solved it algebraically.